Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel, and today we will discuss about active and passive voice. It is very important for all competitive examinations. So without destroying the time and okay, come back on the point. So the first is that active and passive voice. Today we will discuss about active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. In your active and passive voice, we need only two things. First is subject and the second is object. So one side we will write down subject, and on the second side we have to write down object. So I is changed into me, and we, its object is us, and you, its object is that you, and he, its object is that him, and she, its object is that her, and they, its object is them, and the finally it, and its object is it. If you want to write down, so you can make down the notes and do not forget it. So you can note down. And the second is that subject and object. In your active and passive voice, subject change into object and object change into subject. Understand it? First of all, we have to make the object convert into the subject and subject converted into object. So you have to write down the rules how to change the active and passive voice. So first of all, one side we will write down active, and the second right hand side passive. If you will see the first form of the verb with SRES, it should be converted into is, am, and are. And second form of the verb, it means past indefinite tense. It is changed into was and were. Then after has and have, it changes into has been and have been. And if you will see the first form of the verb with ing, it means the participle form of the verb. It is changed into being and plus the third form of the verb. And next, will, shall, can, could, should, would, it will be converted into will then, will be, shall change into shall be, and can be, should change into should be, and would change into would be. If you want to note down this concept, so you can write down for your future references, and we will take one by one concept of this portion and explain the affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. We will make one by one. So first of all, we will take first form of the verb and change into is, am, are. So let's begin. make the sentences three types. First is that affirmative sentences, and the second negative sentences, and the last interrogative sentences. So affirmative sentences of this portion. So first of all we will write down subject and is, am, are, and plus the third form of the verb, and plus by, and plus object. This is your structure. By the help of it you can make the sentences. So like it, she plucks a flower. She plucks a flower. It is your active voice. And change into passive voice. So first of all you can see here the first form of the verb with yes or es. It is your subject. This is your object. So object changed into subject, and object is that a flower, then it will be your subject. A flower, it means singular, so we use is. A flower is. And then the third form of the verb is plucked, so the third form of the verb plucked, and then by, and subject change into object, so the object of she is her. This is your passive voice. By the help of this you can make any sentences related to this. And now second portion is that negative sentences. Second is negative sentences. First of all we have to write negative sentences. First of all, subject is mr, it means the helping verb, and plus not, and plus the third form of the verb, and plus by, and plus object. This is your structure. By the help of it you can make any sentences. So like it, you do not write many letters. You do not write many letters. This is your negative sentence, use of not. So first of all subject, and subject is that object change into subject. So many letters, this is your plural form, use of many, so we use are. And then not, the third form of the verb is write, so the third form of the verb is written. And then use of by, and plus object, and the object of you is you. So the sentence will be many letters are not written by you. This is your passive voice. Same it is, similarly you can make any sentences. Understand it? So the third portion is that interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. The first type is that yes no type questions. Yes no type questions. First of all is, am, are, and plus subject, and plus the third form of the verb, and plus by, and plus object, and then question mark. This is your SNO type question. Like as does she, like as does he, does Ramesh, does Ramesh read the newspaper, the newspaper, does Ramesh read the newspaper? So this is your SNO type questions. EJMR, was were and helping verb. If you will see in the starting of the sentence, so that are the your SNO type questions. So first of all, we have to write down the helping verb. So here it is your object. It means newspaper. Newspaper is singular, so we use of is. Then is newspaper. Is the newspaper. Is the newspaper. Is the newspaper. And then third form of the verb, it means read. Read, 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 and then by, and then object. So the object of Ramesh is Ramesh, or you can use of him also. And then question mark. So is the newspaper read by Ramesh? This is your passive voice. And if the interrogative sentence based on the interrogative and negative both. So after the subject we use not. Suppose that does Ramesh not read the newspaper? Does Ramesh not read the newspaper? So after the subject we use of not. Then is the newspaper not read by Ramesh? This is your SNO type questions. And the second is that WH type questions. Second type, WH type questions. The second type, WH type questions. WH type questions. First of all, question word and plus is MR and plus subject and plus the third form of the verb and plus by and plus object and then question mark. Like this is your example. Why does the mother decorate the room? Here you can see that why does the mother decorate the room and where does the mother decorate the room and when does the mother decorate the room. So here why, how and when, okay, can be used. That is your WH type question. First of all we have to identify a question word. So here is why, then why, then why, and then use of is, am, are. So we have to see the subject. It is your object, change into subject. So the room, it means is. So why is, and then the room, why is the room, and then third form of the verb, it means decorate. So the third form of the verb, decorated, and then by and plus object is that your mother. So by the mother, and here you can use also her. That is your passive voice. And if the sentence will be interrogative and negative both, so after the subject we use of not. Like as why is the mother, why is the room not decorated by the mother. So this was your first type, and the second type I will teach you tomorrow all the portions. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.